Good medical morning. This is Adam from West Side Hospital, and today we have a very powerful electric toothbrush to take a look at. This toothbrush is specially designed for deep cleaning. It has a 2-minute timer and it pauses every 30 seconds, so you know to switch to a different area of your teeth. For me, I noticed it really removing a lot of plaque from around my teeth, and it improved my overall gum health. My previous toothbrush was a Sonicare, and its flat brush head makes it hard to get in between the teeth. This one, with the rounded head, really allows me to get in between my teeth. The 30-second reminder is a bit more obvious than the Sonicare. Sonicare just has a tiny little beep, and I didn't know what that was at first. This longer pause allows you to know that time is up at each section. And I'll do the top of my mouth on one side for 30 seconds, the top on the other for 30 seconds, the bottom for 30 seconds, and then the other side of the bottom for 30 seconds. Then I'll use the brush manually to hit my tongue and kind of hit those trouble areas. For me, it's right behind my front teeth. The brush spins so fast you can hardly see it move. So let's go ahead and put it in super slow motion so you can enjoy it yourself. Here I'm using it without toothpaste for demonstration purposes. It comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts long enough where if you take it on a weekend trip, you don't have to worry about bringing the charger, which is nice. Check them out at FairyWill.com. I'll put a link in the description below. You're definitely going to want to check this one out. It's high end. Also, folks, make sure to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.